Highest common factor is the biggest number which divides the given numbers. We can say it as HCF, or the greatest common divisor, that is GCD. If 2 and 4 is given, we can easily calculate the HCF by seeing it. Which number divides both the numbers? 2 divides both 2 and 4. So HCF is 2. If bigger number is given, we can calculate HCF. Let us see how to calculate. Method 1. Let us take the numbers 15 and 45. Let us see whether two numbers are one number is a multiple of another number. 45 is a multiple of 15. So write the multiples of the smaller number. Here 15 is the smaller number. So we can write the multiples of 15. Multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, etc. In the multiples, we are having both the numbers 15 and 45. So here the smaller number is 15, that will be the HCF. If two numbers are, one number is a multiple of another number, then the smaller number will be the HCF. Here we have 15 is the smaller number, so HCF is 15. Method 2. Let us take the numbers 15 and 45. Here we are going to factorize both the numbers. Which number divides both 15 and 45? And the numbers ending with 5 is divisible by 5. So here we can divide both the numbers by 5. So write 5 there. How many 5s are in 15? 3 5s are in 15. So write 3. How many 5s are in 45? 9 5s are in 45. So write 9 there. Which number divides both 3 and 9? 3 divides both 3 and 9. So divide by 3. Divide by 3. So how many 3s are in 3? 1 3 is in 3. So write 1. How many 3s are in 9? 3 3s are 9. So write 3. Both 1 and 3 is not divisible by the same number. So we can stop with this. Now HCF is 5 multiplied by 3. 5 3s are 15. So HCF is 15. Method 3. Take the numbers 15 and 45. Now write the bigger number inside and the smaller number outside. We can divide the bigger number by the smaller number. Here we can divide 45 by 15. How many 15s are in 45? Tables. Okay, 3 15s are 45. So write 3. 3 15s are 45. So we can write 45. 45 minus 45, we get 0. When we get 0, we can stop, and that number 15 is the HCF. For choose or fill in the blanks or for competitive exams, no need to do the steps. Straight away by guessing, we can answer the questions. So it will save our time. 15 and 45 we are taking. The bigger number is 45, smaller number is 15. Subtract bigger number and the smaller number. Find the difference. 45 minus 15, we get 30. So 45 minus 15, we get 30. We check whether 30 divides 15 and 45. No. 30 does not divide 15 and 45. So we can write 30 as 30 is equal to 2 into 15. So we can check now whether 2, the first number 2 divides both the numbers 15 and 45. No, 15 and 45 are odd numbers. So we cannot divide by 2. Now we can check whether it divides 15. 15 divides 15. 45 also is divisible by 15. So both the numbers are divisible by 15. So HCF is 15. Which number divides both the numbers? That will be the HCF. So the answer is HCF is 15. Let us take the numbers 12 and 18. Now divide 18 by 12. You write a bigger number inside and a smaller number outside. Dividing 18 by 12. Let us see how many 12s are in 18. 1 12 is in 18. So write 1. 1 12 is 12. So write 12 below 18. So now subtract 18 minus 12. 18 minus 12 we get 6. So write 6 there. So the remainder is not 0. So we cannot stop here. Now we must divide this 12 by 6. We continue the division till we get the remainder 0. Here we are having the remainder 6. So we are dividing 6. 12 is divided by 6. Tables. How many 6 are 12? 2 6 are 12. 2 times. So write 2 there. 2 6 are 12. So write 12 below. 12 minus 12, 0 we get. So the remainder is 0. We can stop here. When the remainder is 0, we can stop. That 6 is the answer. HCF. HCF is 6. Whenever bigger number is given, we can follow this method. Till we get the remainder 0, we must divide the numbers. Let us find the HCF for the numbers 21 and 28. By looking at these numbers, if we know the tables, we can guess the HCF. Which number divides both 21 and 28? Yes, 7 divides both 21 and 28. So the HCF will be 7. If we know the tables, it is easy. Otherwise, what can we do? Let us see. We must find the difference. You write the first, the biggest number 28 minus the smallest number 21. So we must subtract 28 minus 21. What will we get? We get 7. So 28 minus 21 is 7. We must check whether this number divides both 21 and 28. 21 is divisible by 7. Yes, 3 times. 3 7s are 21. So 21 is divisible by 7. Now check for 28. 28 is divisible by 7. 7 4s are 28. So 28 is also divisible by 7. Both the numbers are divisible by 7. So the answer HCF is 7. Which number divides both the numbers? That is the difference. If the difference divides both the numbers, that will be the answer HCF. For any number, we can check this method. Let us find the HCF for the numbers 25 and 35. Find the difference. Write the bigger number first, 35, minus the smaller number 25. 35 minus 25. We must find the difference. 35 minus 25 is 10. we must check whether 25 is divisible by 10. No. 35 is not divisible by 10. So we can write 10 as 2 into 5. Now check whether 25 is divisible by 2. No. 35 is not divisible by 2. So check for the next number 5. 25 is divisible by 5 and 35 is also divisible by 5. So the answer HCF is 5.